Hi and welcome to the session. Let's work out the following question. The question says the particle is projected so as to have a range r on the horizontal plane through the point of projection if alpha and beta are the possible angle of projections and t1 and t2 are corresponding times of flight. Show that t1 square minus t2 square divided by t1 square plus t2 square is equal to sine alpha minus beta divided by sine alpha plus beta. Let us see the solution to this question. Let t1 and t2 be the times of flight when a particle is projected with velocity u and angle of projection b, alpha and beta respectively. Therefore, t1 is equal to 2u sine alpha divided by g, t2 is equal to 2u sine beta divided by g, where g is acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, t1 square upon t2 square is equal to sine square alpha divided by sine square beta. Now, applying dividendo and componendo, we get t1 square minus t2 square divided by t1 square plus t2 square is equal to sine square alpha minus sine square beta divided by sine square alpha plus sine square beta. This we call 1. Now in both the flights the horizontal range is the same. Therefore r is equal to u square sine 2 alpha divided by g, that is equal to u square sine 2 beta divided by g. This implies sine 2 alpha minus sine 2 beta is equal to 0. This implies 2 cos alpha plus beta sine alpha minus beta is equal to 0. This implies cos alpha minus, this is called alpha plus beta is equal to 0, or sine alpha minus beta is equal to 0. Now this implies that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. And this implies that alpha minus beta is equal to 0. But we see that since alpha is not equal to beta, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2, and this we call 2. This implies that alpha is equal to pi by 2 minus beta, or we can say beta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. Now, t1 square minus t2 square divided by t1 square plus t2 square is equal to sine alpha into sine alpha, that is sine square alpha, minus sine beta into sine beta, that is sine square beta, divided by sine alpha into sine alpha, plus sine beta into sine beta. This can be written further as sine alpha into sine pi by 2 minus beta minus sine beta into sine pi by 2 minus alpha divided by sine alpha into sine pi by 2 minus beta plus sine beta into sine pi by 2 minus alpha, which is further equal to sine alpha cos beta minus sine beta cos alpha divided by sine alpha cos beta plus sine beta cos alpha, and this is further equal to sine alpha minus beta divided by sine alpha plus beta. So we have proved that T1 square minus T2 square divided by T1 square plus T2 square is equal to sine alpha minus beta divided by sine alpha plus beta. So this is what we were supposed to prove in this question. I hope that you understood the solution and enjoyed the session. Have a good day.